Oh, hello, my people. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here. This is Lucky Tuesday, and I have something nice for Lucky Tuesday. It's a second time plan. It's a working plan. I want us to look at it, but please, if we have the first one and then the second one, the first setting and then the second one is the key that plays. So let's go for it without wasting much time. Please watch it carefully, okay? This one is 2-year setting. This is the first one, and then the second one. This is 2022, and we have the second one at 2023. So, first opening of the year. Opening of the year start from. It begins from event 750. We'll play 11. It will play 11. You can see the 11 play with some number. That is 27. So then, first you notice that 78 will play. This is the first 78. 78 will play in machine center. Then following week the 78 will come out to winning and play. So where the second 78 play, that is at winning, you notice that the 27 will go minus 1. That is 26. That will give us difference 1. 26, 27 to play at machine with the 78 at winning. So you notice that the 78 will play, then following week the difference 1 will play. That difference 1 that play with the 11 at the opening. So this is the difference 1, 26, 27. Then we wait until another 78 play in machine again. So as the 78 play in machine again, this is the second 78 in machine. Then following week it will come out and play at winning again. The 78 will come out and play at winning again. So you notice that the first one, it came out to play. The second one, it came out to play again. So when the second 78 also play at winning, then we will wait. We will wait for the third 78 to also play. But before the third 78 to play, you will notice that some number and its counter will play on the way. That number and its counter playing 4 weeks down, then the 78 will play. So you notice that the number and its counter is 1964. 1964, that is the number and its counter. So before it will play, let's count 3 weeks down from that 1964. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll play 90 in machine. Then 90 will give us 63, 60 at winning. You can see second and then fourth. 63 will be at 60 will be at second. 63 will be at fourth. Then we'll play 90 in machine. Then following week, the third 78 that has to play in machine will play. That is the third key. So this 78 will play, come to winning. It will play again the second time, come to winning. Then it will play for the last time for the plan to play. Then following week we are here. So as the 78 play in machine, then following week this number, the difference 1 that play with the 11. The first one that play with the 11 is the 27, and then the 26. You see both of them as too short on the event after the 78 had played. Then you notice the main too short, that is the 1964 number and its counter, will also come back and play as your too short. That is the first and second. Then on the event we can see some 34 over there. That is the fifth number that play. The 34. That is the fifth number. It's in between the 90 and then the number and its counter. So on this event over here, then he picked that 34 to come and play as the fifth number. Watch the plan again. Watch it carefully again. I say 78 to play. If I want to make it simple, you will see it. 78 to play. Then the 78, that is the first one in machine. It will come out to play at winning. Then you wait for the second 78 to play. The 78 second one will also play. Then come out and play at winning. So as he play, you wait for the third one to also play. So as the third one play, now we are at winning. The third one will give us a winning number. So for you to find those numbers, first you count 4 weeks up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the number and its counter on that event to come out and play as your too sure. Then you notice that where the first 78 come out to winning to play each machine number, and then the machine number that play with 11, that is 27, will also give you difference 1, 26, 27. That two numbers will also come and play with the numbers. Then the 90 that will play with the 63, 60 will also give us 34 in the middle. So that 34, that is group 7, will also come out to play as the fifth number. So that is the first setting. Now let's go to the second setting in the 2023. So this is the new one. So you can see opening of the year, 11 play again. So as the 11 play, you notice that the 11 will have to play with a number, but you wait for 78 to play. But here the 78 play the third week. You notice that 78 play at center. Then following with the 78 to come out to winning to play. So as he play a number over there, and then the number that play with the 11 will give us difference 1. So you can see 65, 64, difference 1. After the 78 play, each machine number will give us the difference 1. So 64, 65. That is the first number. Then we wait for the second 78 to play. So we wait for the second 78 to play. The second 78 play over here. This is the second one. So as the second one play, it's supposed to come out and play at winning. Just like the first one play at winning, second one play at winning. So as he play at winning, then we wait for the third one to also play. You wait for the third one to also play, but before the third one will play, 4th week before the third one is going to play, a number in each counter supposed to play on that event, this event over here. So you notice that 90, 45, number in each counter, 90, 45 supposed to play on that event. Then 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, you will see 90 will play at machine. That is also one of the key. Then you put 63, 60 at winning. That is second and then 4th. 63, 60. You see the position of them. Then the 90 will play. Then following week, the 78 will play. That is the third 78 in machine. So as he play, following week is supposed to give us winning numbers. You notice that when the 78 play, it's supposed to come out. When the 78 play, it's supposed to come on. When the 78 play, it's supposed to come on. But you notice that the first plan, the first one, 78 play, came out. The second one, it came out. The third one, it did not play. So that is where our winning is. So we are here. This is the third one. This is the first. They came out second. It came out, and then the third. We're supposed to have our winning numbers this week. So looking for our winning numbers, you notice that 4590 becoming our first two shot. Number in each counter becoming our first two shot. Then difference 1 also, that is 65, 64 will also give us our second two shot. 65, 64 will also give us our second two shot. That is difference 1. Just like the 26, 27. So 65, 64 will also give us another two shot. Then on the event, you will notice that the first one, it was the 34 that came to play. But here is the counter that is using. So that is 79. So the 79 will be added to the numbers to give us the 5 numbers over here. That is 45, 90, 64, 65, and then the 79. This 79 here to give us the 5th number. So this is the first one, the old one, and that is the new one. This is the new one, 45, 90, 65, 64, and then the 79. But if you have something, because the plan maintain itself, the numbers that it's using and even the machine number, everything is the same. You can PERM this event, PERM here also. The old one and then the new one can also play. So PERM here, that is what it is. You can PERM here. So I will be using this 60, this 65, and then the 4590 as the 3 numbers. 4590 as the 3 numbers. So the 45 any of them. I can use any of these ones as the too short, but I'm going to add the 65 to it to give us the third number. But you already know what it is if you watch the plan. So these are the 5 numbers. Don't joke with them. Those are the 5 numbers that I've chosen. So don't joke with them. Those are the 5 numbers. Hopefully, we pray for a win. Lucky Tuesday. That is how it is. Lucky Tuesday. You already know what it is. It's a second time plan, and it's a waiting plan that I've waited for. So the 78 as the key has said this is the third one. So definitely we're supposed to win. Hopefully, we will get a win from this particular plan. Bye for now.